Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to Building Velocity. We got the AK, it is the AMX-12 with an AK-787 wing. See that guy right there? So this is the wing that I took off of it. Big, lots of downforce. And I'm doing a stretch on my 787 and I don't need the wing anymore for that. So I decided I was gonna put it on this dude. So it's much wider than the one that came off of it, but what I liked was cool. It says Rollarlo on it and it pretty much matches the car. So I decided to go with it. Built me a little bracket, mount straight to the shock tower, stuck her on there. Got the front end lowered down, guys. So hopefully she's gonna stay on the ground and pick some speed up. Haven't done anything else, haven't changed any gears. I did put the foams on. One of the reasons I decided to go with the foams, and I didn't really think about it, it's been a while, but the foams don't expand. These tires are a little bit larger, and as they pick up speed, these tires do expand, and when they expand, they're automatically gonna lift the front of the car up, guys, as they expand. So they expand too much and the car is gone over. So I put the foams on, not because it's reaching speeds that those tires can't handle, but with those tires expanding, it lifts the front of the car up. And I think that that was probably enough to just flip it, so, or make it do a wheelie anyway. So we put the foams on, put the wing on with less downforce in the rear, and no other changes, guys, other than just lowering the front down a little bit. So we're gonna get this dude out there and give her a rip, guys. Stay tuned, the run's next. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Building Velocity. Got the AMX-12 out. We're gonna make a quick pass for the 2025 run to 100. We have put the foams on and adapted the AK-787 wing to this dude, and I did run a strap through, so hopefully I won't lose my GPS again. And we've got the front lowered down, so hopefully we'll be able to get a decent pass in here, guys, and it'll get a little quicker. That's what we're hoping for anyway. That's what we're hoping for. Zeroed out. Picking up on the car. All right. Let's see what this little dude will do.
On this truck. And this one.
All right, let's see what it'll do, guys. Seem faster. Now that battery wasn't fully charged. Let's see what you did. Hopefully it was over 58. I do have a fully charged battery here, just in case. All right. Still picking up on the car. 64, guys. 64. So new PB on the car. I'll let it rest a minute. We might make another run with it. See. But 64 miles an hour, guys, on the little Mamba Micro X. And it didn't lift. So anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. If you're subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, hit that subscribe button, guys. Give us a like, leave us a comment. As always, hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.